I know you're a fool for them.
You guys ready?
Yeah, single handshake, y'all. Come on.
Alright, let's do this. Sinyan.
Yo, Kala. Yo, Kala.
Thank you so much for dropping by to look at some of the changes that we have made to the property in Gambia. I know that has been a while, but I will take you along for some of the things that we have made changes to. One of the largest change that we've made is we have actually, let me see here. Oh no, come out. We have actually taken the second story off. So as you see, we do not have a second story anymore. We are working on the first level first, and then we will add the second level at a later time. And the reason why is because we want to be there in order to be able to really make it the way that we want to. We have a lot of ideas of things that we want to do to the second level. So for now, that has been removed. So that's the number one and largest change that we have made to the Gambian property. The other change is that, let's go back in. We removed the stairs. So of course here, this is where the stairs were. So of course, if we don't have a second level, there is no need for a staircase. So when you're coming into the home from the entry here, we still have the two bedrooms across from each other, the bedroom that was across from the stairs, and the bathroom. So now there are no stairs. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend this wall, and we're going to extend this wall. So we have extended those two walls to take up that space in the bathroom, to take up the space where the stairs were, to make the bathroom larger. Another thing is that we took out this middle wall to actually make it a Jack and Jill bathroom. So this is the bathroom that's going to cover the usage for this bedroom, and this bedroom. And it's also going to cover the usage for this bedroom as well. So as we mentioned before, this bedroom was the only one that had a full bathroom, which didn't make any sense to me because it's 3 bedrooms on this side of the house that would have had to walk all the way around to get access to the full bathroom. So let me see, I have too many walls here. There we go. Oh. Click. There we go. Okay, so now we have too many walls. Okay, so that should be good. I hope that's good. I don't know what that is. Okay. So now we are going to make this a Jack and Jill bathroom. So we're going to extend this. I'm not sure what this is and what did I do to create this. I don't know. We're just gonna put it up there, I guess, until we figure it out. Okay, so we're gonna add a toilet here, the shower and tub here, and another toilet here. So basically it's going to be like a small wall to separate each side of the shower and the tub, so it can somewhat give privacy to the person that's using the bathroom on this side and the person that's using the bathroom on this side. So there will be a wall that like a half wall or something like that that will come up to here and come up to here, and then we will have the sink for this side of the bathroom here and the sink for this side of the bathroom here. We may just have a huge sink to go all the way across. I'm not exactly sure how we're going to work this, but this bathroom, it has definitely been extended, and it is somewhat of a Jack and Jill. So that's one of the changes that we've made. Another change that we made is we got rid of this wall as well to open the living room to the kitchen and to open the dining room to the kitchen. Now I really like this because I really like the open floor plan. I'm sorry, this actually undo. I think that this part is actually still there. That door isn't there, but this part is what is open. So it's open this way, so you can access both sides. And I actually think that the dining room is here and the kitchen is here. So the kitchen is inside, the dining room is outside, and it's accessed to the living room, which I really like that. I have to figure out in my drawings here how to create an archway, because there is an arch here, and there is an arch here, and there are some pillars here as well to, just kind of separate the space, to give it defined spaces in the home. So those are the main changes that we have made to not only accommodate our budget for right now, but also because of the fact that we are not there, we want to, we kind of want to create, we kind of want to get the bottom level finished so that when we do go there, we will have somewhere to stay and we will have more input as to what designs and what decorations, as well as how we want the top level to be built. Now, I do have some really good ideas of how I want the second level to be built. I don't think that it's going to be as large as this. I want to cut it where we can have a nice sized entertainment space up there, or we can go up to the roof. We can have access to the roof. Now, one of the other things that did occur is that we did put in some stairs. Now, the stairs, from my understanding, were put in when you exit this door, which is the back door of the house. They were added right along here. I'm not absolutely 100% sure because, as you all know, we are in America and we're building in the Gambia, and all we have to rely on is video and pictures to tell us where things are going. But from what I can see, and I will get clarification on it, is that this is the exit to the back door, and there are stairs that go along these two windows going up to create the entrance way to the second level. So the second level would not be accessible from the inside of the property, which is absolutely fine because of the fact that it will be two completely separate living spaces. So that is most of the updates that we have. I know that it's looking bland now because we don't even have a second story. So it looks really blah, but these are the changes that we have made. Another thing is that I think if you remember in the last video, I explained that I wasn't sure about this closet and if it was large. It actually is not a large closet. It's actually a very small closet. Now, what happened to the rest of this space is something that I can't explain. I don't know if it is a part of the owner's suite, which it may go here and then come across here. I believe that is probably a part of the owner's suite, the ensuite. I believe that's how it is, because when I was there the last time, the master or the owner's bathroom was a really large space. So from my understanding is that this closet that is now a tiny closet is actually for the washer and dryer, which is perfect because I would love to put my washer and dryer in there. So that is for a washer and dryer. And this room was something else that I didn't have clarification on, but now I have a little more clarification. So this room is actually connected to the shop if it is not the shop altogether. So let's see here. So this room, the shop actually have a door. So there is access from this room to the shop, or it may just be one really large room. So that's something that I definitely going to try to get clarification on the next time that I am speaking to my sister-in-law, just to get an understanding of what this room is. I do believe that it either have access, a door here to have access to and from the shop, or it is just one room. So if it's just one room, then it's just open to each other, as I put it. So I'm going to put the door back, the wall back, because I'm not 100% sure on that. So if it is one room, then we actually just have a 4-bedroom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a shop, which could still be fine. Because we are still building, and we're still building a second story, and we still have these boys' quarters in the back as well. So it's coming along. It's not quite there yet. We're doing some shopping. We're looking at doors. We're looking at windows, things like that we want to put onto the home to add, the character to it as much as we can. I will say that this color is the color that we have chosen to put on the home. It is called Knight's Armor by PPG Paint. And it is a really dark gray. It's a really beautiful gray, actually. And it's kind of funny because my mom currently have this color on her house as a trim, and it's really pretty. She painted her house white with the trim of this Knight's Armor, and we will be doing the opposite. We will paint the entire house Knight's Armor with the white trim. So we shall see. I hope that it turned out great. But for now, that's it. Thank you so much, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye. So hi again. I just wanted to show you some progress videos. The roof has been added, and the smoothing of the exterior walls is now taking place. I really like this video because you can see the difference between the smoothing and the way that the brick looked prior to. Right there, I really like seeing the contrast difference of the finished look and the unfinished look. It just really gives you some comfort to see work being done. So yeah.
I am 13, my name is Ida. Yo Kala.
My name is Simone and I'm the mommy.
Yo Kala.
diddy pop, Papa diddy pop, Papa diddy pop, Papa diddy pop.